What's up guys, Alec here, and in this video I'm going to be going step by step through how I myself would do hashtag research. I've done a few videos about hashtag research before, but in this video I'm going to be going through exactly how I would find a good hashtag, how I'd find a bad hashtag relevant to my page. I've explained the strategy and you can watch the whole strategy in this video at the top. I can never remember which side it is, but now I'm going to go through step by step for one of my Instagram pages. Okay, so here I've just jumped right onto my computer, and to do the hashtag research I'm actually going to be using a tool called Flick. So I've mentioned Flick a couple of times before on my channel, and it's a great tool that helps you speed up the process of hashtag research and just make it overall way easier. I'm going to be doing hashtag research for my page, My Bedroom Goals. I've also mentioned this page plenty of times on my channel before. So the first thing with Flick is you can actually link up your accounts. You don't have to, but it does make the hashtag research a little bit more tailored to your specific account. So what you can do, I've linked up multiple accounts here. I'm just going to select My Bedroom Goals. Now the first thing you can do is activate the suggested filters. This will then mean that when you search for a hashtag, you'll actually have filters that help you find hashtags that are more tailored to your account. So if I just click on this little button here, as you can see, we have the advanced filters. So these are the filters on the account so far. So the average likes has to be greater than 2,220 likes on my page. I'm actually going to bump this up to, let's say, 3,000. And the average likes have to be less than 6,659. I'm actually going to change this to, let's say, 20,000, because when I have a post doing really well on my page, it often easily hits 10,000 likes. Media count has to be greater than 80,000, and then media count has to be less than 10 million. I'm actually going to delete this maximum media count, and I'm going to explain why in a second. So I just click apply. And now the next step is My Bedroom Goals is in the interior decor niche. So I'm going to type in my first hashtag, which is going to be home decor. Okay, home decor. I'm then just going to select home decor. Once I've selected home decor, Flick is then going to bring up the table view of a bunch of different hashtags that you can use for your page. Now, the first few hashtags we're going to be looking for are just general hashtags that relate to all of your content on your page. So you basically want hashtags that relate to your niche. So right now, I'm just going to be looking for, let's say, 5 general hashtags that relate to the interior design niche. So if I just click on posts made, it doesn't matter what size they are. I'm going to select interior design, home decor, home design, and let's find a good one. I'm going to go for another one, which is just going to type in bedroom decor, because I am mostly about bedrooms, and then I'm just going to select bedroom decor here. Okay, so now I've got 4 hashtags selected. I could potentially add another one, bedroom design. There we go, bedroom design. So these are my 5, as we can see, like Flick says, high competition hashtags, but these hashtags are basically just to let Instagram know what our content is about. Once I have my 5 base hashtags, the next things we are going to be doing is looking for hashtags with a different amount of likes. So I'm going to go back to home decor, and we are now going to sort the hashtags out by the average likes. I'm going to start out with the lower ones. So I'm going to be looking for, let's say, 5 to 10 hashtags that I will easily be able to rank for. So if we just go down 3,000 likes, interior living, right? This one gets 3,500 average likes. This one could be a good one for my page because pretty much all of my posts will hit around 3,000 likes. So I'm just going to go and add this one. And as we can see on the right, Flick is going to include this one as a medium competition hashtag. So let's just keep on scrolling down. What I can do, if I'm not finding enough, I can actually change my filters. I made a mistake putting this up to 3,000. So the average likes, I'm going to bump it down to 2,000, and then we should get more. There we go. I'm going to add home decor blogger, average likes 2,000. Also, this is good. It's got 107,000 posts made. When they have too many posts made, this could mean that your post is going to disappear too fast in the hashtag, or there's too much competition. So for an example, if we have a look, the competition for this one is fairly high because there are a lot of posts. But if we have a look at this competition score, it's low, or it's medium, as Flick says, because there's not as many posts. So you could sort them by competition score and then find hashtags that you could really easily rank for, but this isn't necessarily based on the amount of likes. So the ideal would be a low competition score and a low amount of likes. So I'm going to find a few more. We've got house decoration. House decoration, that's average of 2,800 likes, 192 posts. I'm going to add this one in. Okay, now I want to go back to bedroom decor. I like these tabs as well. You can easily flip between a few. So we're going to sort these ones by, oh, they're already sorted by competition score. I'm actually going to sort them by average likes first. So we're going to be looking for a few that have a low amount of likes that I can get. Home decorating, that's a good one for me. Let's have a look. Room, this one is a hard hashtag to rank for, but I'm going to add it anyway. Bedroom decoration, this one 3,000. This one's a good hashtag. A medium hashtag again. Bedroom interior, again, this one's also kind of a general one, just letting people know what the account is about, and that way when someone searches for the hashtag bedroom interior, my posts are going to come up and it's very relevant to that hashtag, so people are going to check it out. Then if we keep on taking a look, okay, so I'm struggling to find some lower hashtags here. So again, what I can do is just go back, and I could basically just straight away, I'm not going to delete it because then I'll get some very small hashtags suggested, but I'm going to turn this down to, let's say, just 1,000. Apply that. Now, if we sort it by the average likes, we have home fashion, decoration ideas. Then again, this one will have a high competition score because it's 1.6 million posts. So we are looking for a low amount of posts, but not too low, and then a low amount of likes. So if we say 100,000, for example, dining room design, but then this one isn't too related to my Instagram posts. So what you want to keep in mind is that the more relevant a hashtag is to your post, the better it is for your Instagram account. So I'm struggling to find a few more now, but I'm going to add this last one, luxury bedding, and let's say, okay, bedroom styling, all right? Okay, so now I've currently got a list of 14 hashtags, and I'm going to start fresh to start looking for some more hashtags, and this time I'm going to type in bedroom decor. So when I click on search, this time instead of going into the table view, we are going to go into the graph view, and this is a view I absolutely love. I've actually turned down my filter so it only suggests 10, because when you're in the graph view and there's too many, it actually makes it really messy and then you just can't see. So I love this graph view. So we've got this hashtag here, which is my bedroom. I'm going to add this one, living rooms, Insta home, home decor. We've already got this one, so these are a couple of hashtags I actually have. Home design. So what I'm going to do is go on my bedroom. If I right click and then just click on this expand, I can then actually expand and have more hashtags suggested here. So I've got room ideas, home decor inspo. Room ideas could be a good one. Room for inspo, my nord decor, my space and decor, that one could be a good one. So I can just click on them to again add them to the list. Now, as you may be noticing here, I've got a bunch of medium competition and high competition hashtags. And the reason being is basically because my page is a reasonably big page, I have a lot more chance of ranking for these actual hashtags. So I now am at 17 hashtags. So I'm just going to go through quickly and I'm just going to add a bunch more. For the sake of this video, I'm going to add some small hashtags. So let's just say bedroom decor, bedroom decoration, right? So now I've got this bedroom decoration search, got room deco, add this one, add this one. There we go. Bedroom decoration is a low competition hashtag. The reason being, if we go back into the table view, is bedroom decoration. It actually doesn't have enough data to be showing up in Flick yet, but what you can do is just preview this hashtag straight in Instagram by clicking on this button right here. As you can see, bedroom decoration, only 174 posts, so it's not going to be a great one for my page. Okay, so back in Flick, I currently have a total of 19 hashtags selected. So I'm going to leave it at 19 for the reason that when I add a post up, right, I'm going to select these 19 hashtags and paste them on that post and then add roughly 5 more hashtags that are really tailored and relevant to that post. So now I'm going to do add to collection, and I'm actually going to do a new collection and name it bedroom goals 1. And then what you want to do is just click create, and I now have all of these hashtags. If I go to my collections in bedroom goals, all right here. Something I also want to show you real quick is if I actually go back to find hashtags, you can also do grouped view, which lays out the hashtags by competition. So if you're easily looking for low competition hashtags in your searches, You just have to actually lay it out by grouped view. But obviously with the filters I set, there aren't actually that many low competition hashtags because I am getting a reasonable amount of likes. So once you've created, let's say 10 collections, what you want to do for your hashtag strategy is start using these collections on all of your posts and then see what hashtags actually perform well. Now, you might be asking, well, how do I know which hashtags perform well? Well, you have to look at your posts and see which posts are getting the most engagement from which hashtags. And this might sound like a bit of a nightmare to do because you're getting no hard data, things like that, or it's just not easy to get the hard data and you have to keep track of a lot of things. But this is again where Flick come in really handy with their amazing analytics. So if I go into the analytics tab, right, I'm on my bedroom goals page selected and I click on content. And here I can actually see all of the insights for each post and which hashtags these posts have ranked for. So if we go to my latest post, if I just click on it real quick, you'll notice that this was posted an hour ago. So obviously it hasn't ranked for any hashtags yet. And that is very common for most of my recent posts. This one was posted yesterday, Friday the 27th. And as you can see right here, it is ranked for 20 out of the 26 hashtags that I've used on that post. Obviously, because it is ranked for these hashtags, it is the highest performing post in some of my latest posts. If I sort them by the amount of reach or the amount of impressions, the two top ones have both ranked for 20 hashtags each. Here we can see that this one ranked out of 20 hashtags out of 26, and then this one ranked for 20 hashtags out of 28. So if I then click on this little drop down menu, I can actually see for which hashtag this post ranked and where. So I got 16 hashtags where this post ranked in the top 9 posts. I then have 3 hashtags where this post ranked. I then have 3 hashtags where this post ranked in the top 10 to 25, and then 1 in the top 26 to 50th. And then obviously there's these 6 hashtags here that haven't ranked. So now what you want to do to make your hashtag research even better, go through and quickly select all of these hashtags right here like this. I'm going to take out these 2 because these ones were 2 hashtags that were kind of relevant to the post. And once I have selected these 14 hashtags, just make sure I haven't selected any others, I can then click on this tab to open them and then I can add them to a collection. But before I do that, I'm going to go through and have a look at, let's say these ones also did well for this post. I'm not going to use that one because that was a really relevant one to the post again. I'm also going to take out fairy lights. So I have 15 hashtags that 2 of my posts have recently ranked in the top 9 for. So I'm now going to add these to another collection, and I would call this collection, let's just say, bedroom goals ranking hashtags create. And then again, I'm not going to be using these hashtags on every single post. I would divide these hashtags into 2 different collections, let's say later on. So 2 different sets of hashtags. Let's say I would use the first 7 and then the other 8 in a different collection, because I know that these hashtags can perform well and my content has ranked for them in the past. So that is how I would go about doing my hashtag research. I use Flick to find some low competition hashtags, medium competition hashtags, and high competition hashtags. So that is how I do my hashtag research. I use Flick because it makes the whole process way easier. I love the new analytics that Flick have released for the hashtag research and the analytics you get. And then I just want to say that if you want to sign up and use Flick, I do have an affiliate link in the description below, which helps me earn a bit of money and support this channel. So if you are thinking of using Flick, I'd really appreciate it if you use my link. And yeah, that being said, any questions about hashtag research, drop it in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and you found some value in it. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace out.